Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install opencv on your Visual Studio Code editor on your Mac operating system. So let's say you want to develop an opencv Python script, and for that you need to install the opencv package using pip. So let's see how we can do it. So as you can see, I have opened this sample folder inside my Visual Studio Code editor, and I'm going to create a test file here. So let me create this test.py file, and then I'm going to paste a very simple opencv script. So when you want to develop an opencv application, you need to import the cv2 package. When I use this script and when I hover over this import, it says import cv2 could not be resolved because we haven't installed the opencv package. So for installing opencv package, I'm going to click on terminal and then click on new terminal, and then I'm going to create a virtual environment so that when I install the opencv, it only installs in the current project and not globally on my Mac operating system. To create a virtual env, just type Python and then press tab on your keyboard. What it's going to do is it's going to autocomplete your Python command. In my case, Python 3 is available, and Python 3.12 is also available. So you can choose one of these Python version. As you can see, I have Python 3 and Python 3.12. I'm going to choose Python 3, and then I'm going to write -n and then venv and then the name of the environment. I'm going to name my environment as env. You can name it anything. Now just press enter, which is going to create a virtual env, and you can see my env directory is created, and here I also have other directories. Now I need to enable the virtual env. To enable or activate the virtual env, I need to call this script, which is under env, and then in bin I have this activate script. To activate, just write source here and then write env or whatever name you see here for your env, and then /bin/activate, and then press enter. It's going to activate your virtual environment, and to see if the environment is activated, you will see this environment name in front of the command line. Once that's done, we are ready to install the opencv package. So just type pip and then press tab key on your keyboard, and you will see all the pip related packages on your Mac operating system. I'm going to use pip 3, but you can use other version of pip which are listed here. So pip 3 install, and then the package we want to install is opencv-python. It's not cv2. cv2 comes under opencv-python package. So just type pip install opencv-python. Press enter, which is going to install this opencv package. And once this opencv package is installed, you can see the error over this cv2 package is gone. OpenCV also comes with the version of NumPy, and as my script is also using NumPy, it also doesn't show any error. Once the pip package is installed, let me clear the terminal, and then I can run my script as Python 3 and then space the name of the script file, which is test.py file. In my case, you can see the name of the file is test.py. I'm going to press enter here, which is going to run my opencv script, and you can see it has shown me this output, which is using the opencv. So this is how you can install opencv on your Visual Studio Code editor on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.